Welcome back to the channel, and today I wanted to show you what you could expect from ITA Airways Business Class Amenity Kit. Please follow me on Instagram at BrandonJohnson10K for behind the scenes looks at content that I will be reviewing in the future. So it's a little surprise with this Amenity Kit, as you actually get a wellness kit that comes with that, which I think is pretty cool. So this kind of enhances the Amenity Kit, which is a bit basic. So you've got different creams here. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them, nicely wrapped in this little pouch there. So that's pretty convenient. Now the Amenity Kit itself, as soon as I can get it open here, just kind of doing this one on the fly, as I wanted to make sure I got all the details of the flight. So you've got some Marvis toothpaste, you've got some socks, and you've got earplugs here. Let's see what else. Also a toothbrush to go along with that toothpaste that was given to you. And that's it. So no eye mask in there. I don't know, it might be wrapped in the socks, but that is the ITA Airways Business Class Kit. Business Class Amenity Kit with the Wellness Kit included. As always, appreciate you watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you next time.